Hey Victory, as you know from the pulpit the past couple of weeks, we have been talking about a new app and a new giving platform, and we just want to send a little video to show you just how easy it is to download. To download the new Church Center app, head into your app store and type in Church Center app. Once you find it, go ahead and open it and tap the Get Started button. Here you can use your location to help find Victory Church much faster. Up here you'll be able to enter the church name, or because your location is enabled, you can tap our Victory logo, which is right here at the top left. What we'll do here is acknowledge that this is my church and tap Next. Here you're going to enter your mobile phone number, and it will send you a verification code just for security purposes. Once you log in, you'll be able to enable Face ID or Touch ID, and you're in. We have a lot of awesome features on this app. You can call the church office here, you can email the church, and you can even check out our new website right through the app. Down here, you'll see the Give button. Once you go into here, you can enter the amount that you want to give, tap Next, and you'll be able to see a list of the funds that are available, including tithes and offerings, missions, capital campaign, and Speed the Light. Once you choose a fund, you'll be able to choose the frequency. You can give one time, you can give weekly, every other week, monthly, and twice monthly. Then you'll enter a bank account number, your debit or credit card, and you can even cover the processing fee, which will make sure 100% of your gift goes to the church. Once you've filled everything in correctly and you tap the Next button, you'll be all set. On your profile picture on the top right, you can actually go in, fill out your information, and make sure you put your correct email in, and you'll be able to get emailed receipts of all your giving. And that's it. There are so many more exciting features that this app has to offer, and we cannot wait to tell you what those will be down the road. Until then, to help make this giving process more efficient and more seamless for you, I'm going to be available after service on Sundays and Wednesdays to walk you through and to answer any questions that you may have. Go ahead and give it a try, and don't hesitate to stop me if you have any questions. We'd like to thank you for your giving and for your serving here at Victory Church, and we are so excited for what God has in store for us in the weeks to come. God bless.